Today is got that I got those backyards finished over there, and we came and got to install the storm line to another catch basin, which we got the first part installed yesterday. So before we go home this next piece in, we're gonna get this chinked in and pinned down so we don't, when we go to home this piece, it doesn't mess with that or move it or anything of that nature. There, that's better. Probably should have got a better angle first, but it's whatever. That worked out fine. Give me a flat spot to work on real quick. Get it all bedded in nice. Nice. You want me to dump it or you?
Just, I want just to chink it in.
Okay. You liking that, Zach? That it's starting to get brighter sooner?
Yeah.
That works out better. Cause there's I'm gonna tell you guys about yesterday. Give me a minute. Wait till I get a little bit of time. I'll tell you about that later. Oh, go get my hair cut yesterday. It looks decent. Then I start messing with it. Look at that. Got a crappy haircut. Got a patch there. A patch there. He missed this side. So, ridiculous.
Oh, you're home.
Fabric in there, track it in, walk back and forth on it, and track it in and get it all compact and pretty. And we got to start digging the other one. Alright, so back to digging. Well, back to digging. We haven't even started yet, really. Now we're starting to dig. Stupid fabric. Move that tracer wire. Oh, come on. Almost had it. There we are. I guess I could have gotten out and got that, but it's okay. There's some rock in that, or what? Yeah, that's all dirt. Fabric on the other side. So the bottom of the pipe, I'm gonna go a little bit lower than that so we can put a couple tenths of rock. Everything's all dug. Got a little bit of rock in the trench. So this is all the grade right here. Just scrape it in off the sides and then get your grade. That's 200ths low. Yeah, see. That pebble. It went up a pebble. Yeah, that's grade. That's great. I mean, that's a pebble. So, yeah, we're gonna get our grade all the way down. I'm doing this for free. Not for free. Not for free. It's okay.
Yeah. We got awesome flip. Oh yeah.
Yeah, it looks good to me. We got about 60 feet in the ground, bedded in, got our flow, tracer wire, cheeked in, the whole nine. This is a real tedious one, backfilling what we've done already. There she is. There's the end of the run. Got everything backfilled. Doesn't really look great. The road crew's coming in next week to start grading roads and get ready for curves. And I don't know about asphalt, maybe. But we absolutely killed it today. We did. What is it, 95 feet of pipe? Bedded, chinked in, backfilled, trace wire. Productive Saturday. Gonna end it for today, ladies and gentlemen. I'm gonna go home and enjoy my rest of my weekend. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Yeah, high five. Zach. Zach. I'm all alone.